What's up everybody, Tony here with iTech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at a couple brand new cases made by Supcase. These are currently only available for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. This is the Royal and the Edge. Very cool cases. Looking forward to showing them to you. I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick these up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So let's go ahead and start off with the Edge. Okay, so here's what you get inside the box. You get a screen protector. Now this screen protector is pretty thick. It's more of a plexiglass than glass, and it has film on the front and the back of it. Basically, this is just to protect the back of your phone because this is basically just a bumper case. It's really nice though. They do have different colors. This does have an aluminum edge on it surrounded by a rubber. So you can either choose to use this protector or not if you want. So let's go ahead and put the phone inside. Okay, so you just kind of got to press it in from the top and then it kind of pops in all by itself. And this is what it looks like. So far, it looks really nice. I do have a screen protector on here right now. And as you can see, there is a little bit of a lip to protect your screen if you do put your phone down. You got your volume buttons here, the little cutoff for your mute button, your power button. There's the little spot for the 5G antenna. On the bottom here, you have your cutouts for your mic, your charging port, and your speaker. And on the bottom here, it gives an extra raised edge for when you put the phone down. Again, it doesn't sit flat, so you can pick it up a little easier. And then also there is a spot for that plastic screen protector, which I will put on and show you. That is pretty nice. Feels nice. I like that cool feel of the metal. It is a little slippery because it is aluminum, but I don't feel it's so hard that it's going to slip out of your hand. Buttons are not recessed a lot. They are clicky and you can press them. I kind of wish they would stick out just a little bit more to make it a little easier to press in, but they do press in without any problems. And again, let's go ahead and put in that back protector to see what that looks like. Okay, so here is the protector. The first thing you're going to want to do is to peel off the front and back sticker. So you're going to get this nice clear piece of plexiglass. And then once you take off the sticker, all you need to do is go ahead and place it on the inside of the bumper case. And then we'll go ahead and take our phone and we'll go ahead and press that down inside as well. It seemed to be a lot easier if you put the top of the phone in first and then press down on the bottom because it does have a gap where it's just the rubber on the bottom, so there's more give there. So there's the phone, and then here is the screen protector on the back. So that protects the glass on the back. And then it won't touch your camera either because we have these raised edges on the bottom. That looks pretty nice. I like the feel of this case. Again, the buttons are just as clicky as if you're pressing them on the phone. They just don't stick out a lot. And again, like I said, they do have different colors. You just need to go check out their website. But I do really like this bumper case. Pretty nice. Then we'll go ahead and test out the wireless charging with the bumper case with the back plastic on it. And it seems to be working just fine. Okay, so here we have the Royal case. I saw this on the website and it looked pretty nice. So here you get a leather strap. So here is the case itself. It's got a built-in screen protector surrounded by a rubber. And on the back, it has real leather. It smells like real leather too. Okay, so this insert comes out of the case itself, and then what you're going to want to do is peel off these protectors on the top and the bottom. And then you don't want to touch the inside because they're going to have fingerprints in there. So then we'll take our iPhone 12 and we'll put this over the top of your phone. So just make sure your phone's screen is nice and clean. Here is the inner portion of the case. Got a nice rubbery feel to it on the inside. We'll go ahead and take our phone and we'll put it on the inside of the case and just work around these edges here until everything is clipped in. There you go. So there you have your built-in screen protector. Got your cutouts for your camera and your speaker. Got your volume buttons here. The cutout for your mute button. Cutouts on the bottom. Power button. And on the back, you can see it has a nice deep well to protect your camera. And then here on the little edge here is a little loop where you can connect your little strap if you want to. Now, as far as drop protection goes, this is going to give you good protection because it is protected pretty much all the way around the phone. As you can see, it's got a nice big raised edge on the top and the bottom in case you want to put your phone down so it won't touch the screen. And it has those reinforced edges, especially if you happen to drop it on one of the edges. Feels pretty good in the hand. Buttons are clicky. Easy to find, and that leather looks pretty nice. So if you want to be one of the elite, the Royal case is probably for you. And the way that you get this phone in and out is you take the bottom right hand edge here. As you can see, there's like a little groove. You kind of just push back that little groove, and then you can pull out the inner portion of that case. So we'll go ahead and test out the wireless charging for the Royal case. And it seems to be working just fine. So that is the Royal case and the Edge case for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Again, I will be putting links in the description in case you guys want to pick these up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.